Hello, this is me again. Today I'll be teaching areas related to circle. So let's start. We all know the perimeter and the area of circle. What is perimeter of circle? It's 2 pi r, right? And area of circle pi r square. Fine. What is pi? Pi is a fixed value which is like 22 by 7 or 3.14. This goes on, but we do not care. Okay, fine. So here, now let's go directly to the exercise 12.1. The radius of two circles 19 centimeter 9 centimeter. So let's keep R1 is equal to 19 centimeter and R2 is equal to 9 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumference of two circles. This means that the circle 1 which has radius R1 plus circle 2 which has radius R2 is equal to circle 3 where C3 is the sum of two circles. Fine. So circumference meaning 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2 equal to 2 pi. We have to find the radius of the circle 3. So we'll keep r3. Taking common now 2 pi r1 plus r2. And here 2 pi. We'll skip bracket over here. 2 pi cancel. So r1 plus r2 is equal to r3. Fine. So 19 plus 9 is equal to 28. 28 centimeter is R3. Fine. Next comes the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. Here we used circumference, there we have used area. So it's like R1 is equal to 8 centimeter and R2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of. Fine. So area of circle 1 plus area of circle 2 is equal to area of circle 3. Same. Now C is the area instead of sum of area. Okay, fine. So here pi r1 square plus pi r2 square is equal to pi r3 square. Taking pi common out, pi, let's cancel here itself. So r1 square plus r2 square is equal to r3 square. Fine. So r3 will be root of r1 square plus r2 square. So what's r1? 8 square is 64 plus 6 square is 36. So 100. So r3 will be root of 100 which is equal to 10. Fine. Let's keep centimeter for numbers. And the third question depict an archery target marked with the 5 square. Yeah, same thing. So here this gold part. This gold part has a diameter of 21 centimeter. So radius will be 21 by 2. Fine. Then next you have to, after finding the area using pi r square. Next you should keep on adding to this 21 by 2 to add like 10.5 for each red, 10.5 for black it's more like more 10.5 for for blue it's more 10.5, black 10.5 for black. Fine, that's all. And wheels of a car and diameter of wait So here the wheel of a car are diameter 80 meters, 80 centimeters. So here let's go to fourth question. B is equal to 80 centimeters, right? So R will be 40 centimeters divided by 2. How many complete revolutions will each wheel make in 10 minutes? So we are speed of distance is equal to 66 into 1000. Fine. Then the total distance. Yeah. Then the total distance is 66,000 kilometers. Fine. And this radius is in centimeters. So we have to convert it into meters. So it will be like 40 divided by 100 is equal to 0.4 meter. Fine. Now the distance covered by one revolution for one revolution, meaning one rotation. It's like 2 pi r, right? Like same once our revolution covers one part of one circumference. So it's like 2 into pi into 0.4, which is 0.8 pi centimeter. Fine. Now for 1 minute, like how many revolutions it will take in 1 minute? For 1 minute, how much distance will it? Distance will it take? So it's like 66 into 1000 divided by 60. Fine. And for 10 minutes, just multiply this part into 10. So it will be like 66 into 1000 divided by 60 into 10. Fine. Now, after calculating this, you get 11,000. Fine. Now, according to the question, we have to find number of rotations, right? So it will be like number of circumference into number of rotations is equal to this total distance. So 0.8 pi, correct? 0.8 pi into, let n be total number of rotations is equal to 11,000. Fine. So after sending n 0.8 pi into here, like it will become like into 7 divided by 100 into 22. Like pi is 22 by 7. So after reciprocal. So you get 695. So total will be 4375 rotations. Okay. This is the way to do that. And here, take the correct answer in the following, then justify your choice. The perimeter circle is equal. Here, 2 pi r is equal to pi r square. Fine. Given area is equal to circumference. Circumference is formula is 2 pi r and area is like pi r square. So pi cancel, r cancel, square cancel, r is equal to 2. So our option will be 2 units. Here comes the next topic. Area of sector and segment of circle. Now in this circle, this shaded region is a minor sector. Minor sector meaning in this whole circle, the smallest sector after dividing by OA and OP is like minor sector. And this is a major sector which has a larger portion. Fine. So to calculate this area, we have a predefined formula. Sector area of sector is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is the angle made here, like this angle. and R is the radius of the circle, OA or OB. Fine. And the length of the arc of the sector. Length of the arc meaning A to B. This circumference like part divided is like part cut out is like area of sector. Okay. Go to next. Find the area of the sector of the circle having with the radius 6 centimeter and okay fine like area of sector. Write the formula theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So what is theta? Theta is 60 degrees. So 60 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square. What is r? 6 into 6. Fine. Here 6 cancels 6. After this, get calculate and answer it. Okay, fine. 3 into 3.4. Calculate and see. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Area of a quadrant meaning what? There are 4 quadrants in the circle, right? Don't mind my drawing. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Let us keep this first quadrant as our this is our quadrant, okay? So here this makes a 90 degree and total circumference of circle is 22. So 22 divided by 4 which is our one quadrant area. Fine. Now this itself can be a sector, right? Area of sector is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degree, so divided by 360 into 22 by 7. We don't know r square. So in this case, circumference of the circle is so 2 pi r is equal to 22. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. So r is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7. This part you should do it before itself. Fine. I didn't do it, I forgot it. So 7 7 cancel 7 and calculate and see what is the answer. Fine. The length of the minute of the yeah. In this you should just keep in mind that each from 0 like 12 to 1 there are 5 minutes gap, right? 5 minutes gap in the sense this angle. Wait. Let's keep this is 12, this is 1. This angle is 30 degree because whole this is 360 degree, right? And if we divide 360 into 12 parts, we get 30 degree. So this is the 30 degree, this is 30 degree, that keep on going. Fine. Now we should find this sector area. Fine. A chord of a circle. Same thing. You should just find the minor segment and measure the sector angle. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, the arc subtends the angle 60 degree at the center and find the arc. Same thing. Should just keep on going doing this, doing on your own. If you have any doubts, do ask me on or DM me on Insta. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeters subtends and angles at 60 degrees center. Find an area of a corresponding minor and major segment. Yeah. Major and minor segment meaning first you find minor, then subtract from the area of circle. A chord of a circle of 12 centimeters subtends an angle. Yeah. Same thing. Horse also moves on this same circle. They had made this like diagram also easy for us. This is our circumference. Fine. So let me start 12.3. Find the area of the shaded region. 12. Okay. So here is like PQ is 24 centimeter and PR 7 centimeter. By Pythagoras theorem, use Pythagoras theorem, you find RQ as 25 centimeter. And over the center of the circle, find this shaded region, right? So find the area of semicircle first, where R is at 25 divided by 2. Area of semicircle is 1 by 2 into pi r square. Fine. Use this formula r square. R is our 25 into find the area of semicircle. Then area of triangle. We have a smaller formula like I don't remember the formula perfectly. Like 3r square divided by a, or 3a square divided by r, something like that. Or you can use Heron's formula. You remember Heron's formula, right? Use that and you can find the area of the triangle. After finding area of the triangle, area of semicircle minus area of triangle. And we can get the area of shaded region. So here find the area of the shaded region. Here, like it's too easy. Here it's 7 centimeter, here is 14 centimeter, right? So find the area of sector for 7 centimeter. And then area of sector for 14 centimeter. After finding area of sector of 14 centimeter and 7 centimeter minus this 40 centimeter with this, you get the answer. Here. Fine, that is the simple thing. Here the if you find the area of shaded region, area of square side is 14 centimeter, right? So it will be 196. 14 into 14. Fine. Area of circle. Why circle? Because 2 semicircles is equal to 1 circle. So area of circle where radius is 14 divided by 2, 7 centimeter. So pi r square is equal to pi into 7 into 7. Find this and subtract area of square minus area of circle. You get the answer for this. Find the area of the shaded region in figure 12.22. And where the circular arc also. Yeah, fine. So here area of circle is equal to pi r square. 22 by 7 into 6 into 6. Fine. And here you should find an arc of this. No need for an arc. Okay, then find the area of triangle. Equilateral triangle. I don't know the formula. 3r square by a or something like that. Find the area of circle. Area of triangle. First, area of circle minus area of triangle. So that you find this area. Fine. Now, to find the area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of circle plus area of triangle minus this whole thing. Area of circle minus area of triangle. Fine. This is how you have to find. And here, this thing you have to find if you want to find the area of shaded region. So area of square minus area of circle into 2. Like this 4 quadrants is equal to 1 circle, right? And here 1 more circle. And then, yeah, 4 sides. And radius of this is radius of 1 centimeter. So area of square is 16. Let me go to area square equal to 4 into 4, which is equal to 16 centimeter square. And area of circle is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 22 by 7 because it's 1 centimeter. Since according to question, 16 minus 2 into 22 by 7 or 16 minus 2 into 3.14. 16 minus 6.2. It's like 9.72 is the answer. Done. That's it. And here, in a circular radius of 32 centimeter. So let's keep here. So radius we got 32 centimeter, and the design is from equilateral triangle ABC and middle position and the area of the design. Okay, so we have to find the area of the design, right? So in this case, you can just find the area of circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, where r is a 32 centimeter. Okay, pi 22 by 7 into 32 into 32. Okay. Then area of triangle. This is equal to triangle. So 3r square by a something like that. 2a or something like that. You have to find, just Google it. Area of equilateral triangle or something like that. Okay. Then after finding area of equilateral triangle, my area of circle minus area of triangle is our answer. Say I'm not doing everything totally like spoon feeding you. You have to do it on your own. Otherwise, it will be like you won't understand anything. And I keep on explaining. No, it's of no use. My first video I experienced it, so do try to level best. I hope you do your boards well. This is not that important chapter, but keep in mind even I lost 1 mark in this. Fine, thank you to watch.